Kingdom. But amazingly, yung ini-implement ng United Kingdom, yung itong governance approach na ito sa kanila, they actually failed. And they actually learned from a colony that is Australia. So ito yung ito nabasa ko sa mga scholarly journals or articles na require sa amin sa UP pagka sa aming PhD. And nakakatuwa dahil as you read it, parang wow, ibang klase pala ang mga reforms na ginawa ng developed countries like the United Kingdom, like the United States, and of course the Australia. So here in Quezon City, though we are part of a developing world, no? The Philippines is a developing country, but we consider Quezon City as a highly urbanized city. Therefore, we're trying our very best, no, to apply first world policies and programs because we would like to bring about the best service that our people need. And we are not, how should I say it, hindi kami nanginginig na magbayad ng mga konsultant katulad ng World Bank, ng AIM, ng Ateneo School of Government, at saka iba pa mga konsultant, just to make sure that these policies are actually studied, initiated, and implemented. Because our goal, the Belmonte Bautista Administration School, is to provide the most efficient, the most effective, and the most economic service to the people of Quezon City. So, kung sakasakali may mga palpak pa rin, sabihin nyo lang po sa amin, isulat nyo yan, and we will try to consider and make some further studies on the aspect of services of Quezon City. But rest assured that we have been doing our reforms, we have been doing our very best for the past several years. No? And we do hope that with the close participation of your homeowners association, are you part of the ACAI? If you're part of that, the ACAI as a founding member, this organization as a founding member, is very, very much active in exchanging views and ideas as far as governance is concerned. And I remember, isa sa mga concerns talaga natin dito ng ACAI is either waste management and peace and order. That is usually the concern of homeowners associations. But I guess with the cooperation of everyone, medyo nalilesen na natin yan. And we do hope that we'll be able to do much further as far as peace and order and waste management is concerned. At any rate, I'd like to pose and join everyone and pose a challenge to the Homeowners Association. Please really participate, cooperate with the ACAI as the mother organization, and please also do not hesitate to ventilate your issues and concerns so that we're able to address them as soon as we can. Kasi we are not in a situation where we would just try to dictate upon you what you want and what we want to do to the people. What we actually need are people like you to be part of our governance here in Quezon City. So, without much further ado, I'd like to thank you for sharing with me your ear so that you'll be here, so that you can hear my thoughts and the things that we've been doing as far as the city government is concerned. And I'd like to also extend the greetings and felicitations of our next Vice Mayor, Joy Belmonte of Quezon City, because she's my teammate, and I do hope that you'll also be able to support her as our next Vice Mayor because she has good plans and programs for the people of Quezon City. So with that, I greet you Merry Christmas, I greet you Happy New Year, and let us not forget that in the years to come and in the days ahead, and the months and every step that we shall be making and doing, let us always put Jesus Christ as the center of our life. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.